Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on OPPO A15s. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now click install. Now click open. And here you can click on this button to skip introduction. Now click not now and open permissions. Then select AI Assistant to allow this app to display over other apps, and you can go back and click start. And as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.